My name is Manish Royal. I am from Andhra Pradesh and I completed my graduation in the year of 2023 in a college called as Science of Technology and Science. Basically, I'm an incubation student. As an incubation student, I think that okay, they will provide what under, but as per as my expectations, they provide a lot. And when coming to studies, and Java was taken by Anupama ma'am, Rahul sir, Chinnam sir, Akshay sir, and Pawan sir, and Active was taken by Rahul sir, and manual and SQL was taken by Umar Shankar sir, and Selenium by Mamta ma'am, and Web by Siraj sir. And I would like to thank each and every faculty which are presenting this product because of by the faculty we got knowledge and we got placed here. Faculty are very friendly here, and when it comes to HRs are really very friendly. Literally, I go on and speak with HRs every day based on the requirement, based on the jobs and what are the classes are going on, and the mock presentations, where will the grooming and that all. They are listening very calmly and they will respond very good. And I would like to thank HR also. I recently placed in a company called HCL, where is a software testing engineer role. So I would like to thank Qspiders and Jspiders Hebbal branch. As an incubation student, I learned this much of things, and go through presentations and grooming sessions. Well, when you are going to presentation, it helps to your vocabulary, your communication, where you want to tell, where you want to lag, that all it helps you. When it comes to grooming session, before when you are going to interview, tomorrow there is an interview. Today we will attend a grooming session because of grooming you can crack any interview. Because of in the grooming they will provide all the knowledge and as per company standards. So thank you for giving this opportunity. I would like to thank each and every faculty and management of Qspiders and Jspiders and all. Thank you.